Now, let's say you wanted each one of these shelves to be 14 inches. You want that one to be 14 inches, 14, 14, 14. Now, in order to do this, obviously you're going to have to switch into the interior tab, but you basically have to start by working from the bottom down. Otherwise, all your other spaces are just going to change constantly when you change another. So we have the face. We're not even going to touch that. We like that, okay? We have to, once again, there's no other way but to just completely clear this out, okay? So we want the bottom one to be 14. Let's go ahead and split that in half. Now, if you click split here, it's going to split it. Oh, well, I guess I'm wrong. It's split it right in the middle, so you just click split there. Um, let's make it a stretcher since let's make it a fixed shelf for this example anyway. Okay, so now we have this split in half, right? Okay, so now in order to get them all equal, we have to work from the bottom up. Okay, so let's click on here, click in this area right here, make that 14 inches, like I said. Now we have this area to work with. Split it again, okay? And then as you split it, change the size. Now that's 14. Click up here, split it again, change the size. Split it again, change the size. Okay. Now simple math will tell us that if your piece is 74 inches tall, you're not going to be able to get 14, 5 times perfectly because 14 will not fit perfectly into 74 inches. So that's just simple math. That's just not going to work. So in order to get this to be 14 at the top as well, you're either going to have to sacrifice some space here in one of these areas and make it 13 and 12.85 or something, or you're simply just going to have to add 4.5 inches to the overall cabinet. So let's just do that. I've added the 4.5 inches. Now they're all perfectly the same space. And I want you to notice that what you've done on the interior does not affect the face, and vice versa. Well, I think if you cleared out the face here, let's see. Yep, if you clear out the face, then it's going to get rid of the interior. But that is how it's done.